Can you believe it? A $1 million massive flywheel was forged in Pakistan without any high-tech assistance, using only the most basic methods. In a simple setup, with workers dressed in casual clothes and lacking protective gear, they achieved what seemed impossible. This accomplishment highlights why Pakistan, despite its industrial lag, is known as a mechanical stone globally. Their philosophy: nothing is impossible, whether it's aircraft, cannons, or even small screws. In a factory in Peshawar, a monumental order was received to cast a flywheel with a diameter of about 10 feet, a radius of about 5 feet, and weighing over 11,000 pounds. Completing this order could revolutionize the factory. The team, led by the founder nicknamed Steel Cannon, began by digging a 10-foot circular pit. They meticulously measured and marked the base, then used sturdy soil to create and reinforce the mold side. Using bentonite clay, they filled 6 fan-shaped molds to form a circular base. They drilled numerous holes at the bottom and filled them with air to harden the clay. The 6 cylindrical shapes were then placed on top of the fan shapes to lighten the flywheel. After covering the gaps with more clay and heavy iron blocks to prevent deformation, they were ready for the molten iron. Steel Cannon and his team transported scrap metal to the furnace and melted it at over 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. They meticulously poured the molten iron into the mold, demonstrating expert coordination and skill. Despite the simple protective gear, their experience shone through. After a day of cooling, they carefully removed the covering iron blocks and unearthed the flywheel. It was then transported to the machine shop, where it was finely tuned and polished. The detailed work required careful adjustment, but their patience paid off, revealing a beautifully finished flywheel. This impressive feat, achieved under such basic conditions, deserves immense respect and recognition. So, let's give a thumbs up to Steel Cannon and his team for their incredible work.